Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is creating a copy of a list. Okay, so to create a copy of a list, there are a couple of ways. Of course, let's look at the first approach. Let's just use numbers. Let me just use spaces because it is a bioinformatics channel. So I prefer to use biology data types. Let's say A. Okay. So if I want to create a copy of this one, I can just say copy equals, and I'll say basis, and I'll indicate this. This will give me a copy. Another approach is to say, let's say copy2, basis.copy. So you specify the list objects, and then you indicate the function.copy. So this will also return a copy for you. So these are the two approaches to create a copy of a list. It's very simple, very straightforward. So you can always change this list objects. You can put in your own values and then experiment and see what comes up.